In an era where e-commerce and global supply chains are manipulating the world, enter warehouse management software, or WMS, a revolutionary technology solution designed to streamline operations in warehouses and distribution centers. A warehouse management system is not just software, it's a strategic tool to track and manage inventory. It provides precise product locations and can be integrated with ERP systems for comprehensive operational control. Let's talk about its top 3 benefits. Improving inventory management. Utilizes technologies like barcodes, RFID, and IT for real-time tracking, reducing overstock and stockouts. This helps in better space use, stock control, and accurate demand forecasting. Boosting efficiency and productivity. Automates tasks such as picking and packing, optimizing routes and methods. It can also be integrated with ERP systems to streamline processes, reducing manual effort and errors, thereby increasing throughput. Enhancing customer service. Ensures quick, accurate order processing with better inventory and delivery information. This reduces back orders and returns, hastens deliveries, boosting customer trust and satisfaction. From managing incoming shipments and optimizing storage to facilitating efficient order picking and handling returns, WMS stands as a versatile solution in modern warehouse management. WMS is for everyone, whether you're a manufacturing company, a retail firm, or a third-party logistics provider. It helps you streamline operations, reduce errors, and improve overall performance. Warehouse management software will not only improve productivity, but will also help in reducing cost and making warehouse management a simplified task.